Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the class. I'm your instructor Nida Athar, and today's session focuses on one of the most important aspects of sustainable supply chains, which is sustainable purchasing and procurement. We will dive into the evolving role of procurement, its impact on the environment, and how companies can strategically integrate sustainability into their purchasing decisions. In the past, procurement was largely viewed as an operational activity focused on buying goods at the lowest cost. However, today it plays a strategic role in managing supplier relationships and mitigating the upstream environmental and social impacts of supply chains. As more of a firm's environmental footprint occurs upstream through outsourcing and third party suppliers, procurement has the potential to drive significant sustainability improvements. So, in this lecture, we will cover the strategic role of procurement in sustainable supply chains. We will also look into the difference between green procurement and sustainable procurement, the drivers that push companies towards sustainable procurement practices, and the barriers that prevent full implementation of sustainable procurement strategies. By the end of today's lecture, you should be able to recognize the importance of sustainable procurement in driving environmental and social responsibility. Understand the key drivers and barriers to adopt sustainable procurement. Identify the differences between green procurement and sustainable procurement. Let's begin by exploring the strategic role of procurement in sustainable supply chains. Procurement's strategic role in sustainable supply chains is: how do you think procurement can influence sustainability in supply chain? Let's say, what role does procurement play in reducing a company's environmental impact? Procurement has evolved significantly from being a purely transactional function to a strategic boundary spanning. Historically, procurement was mainly concerned with buying of goods at the lowest price. But today, procurement is a key driver of supply chain and its sustainability. Procurement managers now play a crucial role in selecting suppliers, selecting sourcing strategies, and managing contracts to align with broader sustainability goals. Upstream impact: a large portion of a firm's environmental and social impacts occurs upstream through suppliers and third party vendors. For example, the sourcing of raw materials, manufacturing processes, and transportation methods often contribute significantly to a company's overall carbon footprint and environmental impact. By making sustainable sourcing decisions, procurement has the power to influence these upstream activities. Consider the example of Unilever. Their sustainable sourcing strategy ensures that raw materials they use, such as palm oil, paper, and tea, are sourced in a way that minimizes environmental damage and supports social responsibility. Procurement decisions, therefore, have a direct impact on a company's environmental footprint, ethical standards, and social responsibility. Accountability and stakeholder expectations. Accountability is an increasingly important aspect of procurement. Stakeholders, including consumers, investors, and NGOs, are holding companies accountable not just for their own operations but also for the entire supply chains. This means that the departments of procurement must go beyond working with first tier suppliers and consider the impacts of second tier and third tier suppliers as well. For example, if a company's supplier sources material from unsustainable sources, this could tarnish the company's brand reputation, even if their direct operations are sustainable. Hence, procurement must take a holistic approach and engage suppliers across multiple tiers. Now, let's look into green versus sustainable procurement. What do you think is the difference between green procurement and sustainable procurement? Can one be considered a broader concept than other? Green procurement and sustainable procurement are related but distinct concepts. While green procurement initially focused on environmental attributes such as lower emissions or non-toxic materials, sustainable procurement goes beyond the environment to integrate economic and social factors as well. Green procurement is the practice of selecting suppliers or purchasing products that meet specific environmental criteria. This can include choosing products made with eco-friendly materials, those that have lower carbon footprints, or products that are recyclable and can be reused. For example, a company might choose to purchase energy efficient appliances or sustainable paper to reduce its environmental impact. Sustainable procurement, on the other hand, is a broader concept. It integrates the triple bottom line, which considers profit, planet, and people, and seeks to address environmental, social, and economic concerns simultaneously. Sustainable procurement involves sourcing material and products that not only minimize environmental impact but also support social equity and economic viability. For example, a company might choose a supplier that not only produces environmentally friendly products but also ensures fair wages for workers and supports local communities. Now, procurement versus purchasing. It is very important to distinguish between purchasing and procurement. Purchasing refers to the transactional activity of buying goods and services, while procurement is a strategic process that includes a supplier relationship management, risk management, and sourcing strategy. In procurement, the focus is on long-term sustainability and collaboration with suppliers, while purchasing is more concerned with day-to-day transactional activities. Now, let's look into some drivers of sustainable procurements. There are three drivers of sustainable procurement. Number one, external drivers. Several factors are driving the increasing adoption of sustainable procurement, which are regulation. Number one is regulation. Governments and international bodies are introducing regulations that require businesses to be more sustainable. For example, the EU Waste Framework Directive requires companies to reduce waste and increase recycling rates. Customer and public pressure. Consumers and the public are becoming more environmentally conscious. They want to buy from companies that take responsibility for the environmental and social impacts of their products. And the companies that fail to meet these expectations risk losing market share and damaging their reputation. Competitive advantage. By adopting sustainable procurement practices, companies can gain a competitive edge. Sustainability leadership can create a differentiation in the market. It can attract conscious consumers and open up new opportunities for growth in green markets. Number two are internal drivers. Internally, businesses are increasingly recognize the importance of sustainable procurement for several reasons. Risk management. Sustainable procurement helps to reduce supply chains vulnerabilities such as human rights violations, resource scarcity, or supply disruptions. For example, companies sourcing material from conflict zones may face reputational risks, so sustainable procurement practices mitigate such risks. Co-reduction. Efficient supply chain management can help reduce cost through waste reduction, efficiency improvements, and lower regulatory fines. Sustainable procurement practices can also help reduce litigation risks related to poor labor practices or environmental violations. Leadership and values. The personal commitment of managers and leaders to sustainability is a key driver of change. Companies that prioritize sustainability in their mission, vision, and values are more likely to embed it in procurement decisions. Transparency needs. There is an increasing need for supply chain transparency as stakeholders they demand to know where materials are sourced and whether they meet the ethical standards or not. Now let's look into some barriers of implementation. Despite the drivers, many companies face barriers implementing sustainable procurement practices. Let's look at some key obstacles. Number one, perceived cost. Many businesses believe that sustainable operations are more expensive and customers may resist paying for more sustainable products. This belief can discourage companies from investing in sustainable procurement. Knowledge gaps. Many procurement teams lack the practical knowledge or expertise to effectively integrate sustainability into their decision-making process. Legitimacy risk or greenwashing. Superficial or token sustainability initiatives that lack real substance can lead to greenwashing, where companies make claims about being environmentally friendly without actually implementing meaningful changes. This can backfire and damage their credibility. Supplier resistance. Suppliers may resist change, especially if they are not equipped to meet sustainability requirements. Suppliers with the limited resources may not have the capacity to meet environmental or social standards, leading to friction in the supply chain. Regulatory conflicts. In some regions, market rules or regulations may restrict certain sustainable sourcing choices. For example, some countries may have import restrictions on recycled materials, making it difficult for businesses to integrate sustainable materials into their products. So, dear students, we have seen that procurement plays a strategic role in driving sustainability throughout the supply chain, influencing supplier relationship and sourcing decisions. Green procurement focuses on environmental attributes, while sustainable procurement integrates economic, social, and environmental factors. The drivers of sustainable procurement include a regulation, customer pressure, and competitive advantage, while the barriers include a perceived cost, premium knowledge gaps, and supplier resistance. In our next lecture, we will dive deeper into the strategic frameworks for sustainable procurement, including the Kraljic matrix and the role of eco-labels and life cycle assessments in procurement decisions. Thank you so much.